Hello everyone, welcome back PyResearch channel. In this video, we are exploring AI agent, how we can easily get dataset from AI agent. It's very easy. Okay, and you go to create the account and sign in. After sign in, you will go to the explore. Obviously, it's a lot of uh, universe site. It's open source. Roboflow universe site is a lot of data set is available, but I need to need some uh, here search the bar also available, but I need to perfect the data set, okay, for my project. So I need to uh, let me say hi. I need data set violence, even violence. Okay, so it will be planned and get the some data set perfectly working, and he will provide us. Okay, and I cannot. Okay, so violence data set. Okay, so here it will be search. So you get the fighting data set, violence data set, and here all details available. Which one we need to use? Okay. We search out this one: knife, gun, non-violence, violence. Okay, it's big data set. Okay, also we will search out here as well as here. Let me check. It's which one we will get here. This one, this one. Okay, so let me search out no more, and obviously it will be searched out easily as well as here. I need one, but need more perfect data set free. So we need to get one data set from here. Okay, so you easily to search here, and you will get the data set, and you see this high quality free violence selected your Roboflow and classes name, and obviously it will be mention all. Okay, so we need to choose this one first of all. So we need to see the dataset quality and as well as annotation work. So it's more easy for us to, obviously its picture quality is let's see more. Okay, so this is the shop, and you see the quality of the image and all things. Obviously our method and plan is a training part. Okay, we need to train it. It's very simple method. We will choose the Google Colab, and it need to search out with the agent, and after agent we will see the training method. Training method is very easy, and we choose a lot of video we will train. We custom model will be trained. Okay, so here this one means initialize the GPU and installation ultra license library, and here we close it all, sorry, delete the all extra things we need to train it. So we remove the obviously that means our shell is already running, but we need to close it, and we will try it again. So now dataset in the dataset side folder, and also it will be extract obviously. Now we train the 5 enough for us for the training method, and one more method will be we use. Okay, and go to go to model side, and you will test it directly from here. It's more easy. Okay, in the cricket violence, and obviously ground violence, and football violence. Okay, and as well as means all uh, like gaming side, you see the violence easily. It will be detect, and very quickly you understand. Okay, so you can use as well as here, and you will use it directly in Front's library SDK. So in this video, we will see the how we can get the data set from obviously agent, and high quality images will be recommended, and after recommend we will train the model. Okay, it will be create some issue regarding here. Okay, so let me check the data set. 3 folders available, it's fine. So no problem. If you face any type of this type of error, you disconnect the runtime and they delete it. It's very easy, and you run connect with again. Okay, and also initialize all things, and it's very easy to connect with the same GPU side, and as well install the dependency. After dependency, you will see the able to see uh, as less training part start. Okay, so this is another point we will cover it in this video, so it's more easy for you guys, and you will test models from here as well as upload the picture, violence images. So I download it, and we need to upload it for the testing purpose. We need to violence images file type. So I test it again. Also, this type of images will be work, otherwise not work. But it's not showing us non-violence. Let me try it again. This is my pictures, and let me upload it. Let's see. Show the knife. Okay. Let's see. So you as well as you test here data set points. Okay, and you testing images here as well as let me fix this one error. Okay, and you can see it's error of regarding path. Okay, so I have no issue. Let me check. Uh, okay, here copy path. Okay, now let me run it. Okay, no, so this type of our let me set the ls Okay, I tested more here data from test images. You see its violence, its annotated images will be show us it's properly or edited or not. You will select from here for the more testing purpose. Okay, so obviously it's properly annotated, and after annotated, you will see you also hit the webcam and access deny. No problem. Let me provide him access again because I already use here webcam. Uh, so on my machine, you will see this type of example is available. So it's more easy for you guys, and it's open source, and you will easily to test. And the same method is for the data training, and it's giving me does not it's so I face here issue this one. Yeah, this path. Okay, okay, this one. Let me change the copy and paste here command, and let's see. I hope so it's working. But okay, and data sets, and here equals is 4, and this is working. Okay, we change the command, and obviously I copy and paste here, and it's working. So you see in this video you will learn AI agent, and it's very simple and not complicated training method, and as well as we connect the testing model without any section training section you will get from here. How to use violence and weapon detection API, you will see. You will set the interface here. I hope you like it. See you in next video. See you in next topic.